Want to know the best way to convert your MSG file to MBOX format in seconds? Download BitRecover MSG Converter Wizard. It is a 100% secure and easy-to-use application to convert multiple MSG files to MBOX format without any problem. If you want to know more about the software, please watch the video. First of all, read all the information mentioned in the software starting window. Once agree, tap on the Next button. Now, the user has two modes to browse file with. MSG extension from the system, choose from Select File and Select Folder button. Here, we choose the Select Folder mode to upload a complete MSG folder from the system and tap on Select Folder button. Now, click on the Next button. After this, the software analyzes the chosen MSG folder and then lists in the software interface. Now, user need to mark the checkbox of required MSG folder and tap on Next button to continue the process. Click on Filter Option button. Mark the checkbox Use Advanced Setting for filter saving. Here you can apply the multiple filter option like date range, from, to, subject, and others. Back to the previous window. Go to Saving option and browse the list and choose your required option. We are selecting MBOX format. After that, the software required a destination path option where user can browse a required location on their system for the results. Click on Next button to start the conversion process. Conversion completed successfully. Click on OK button. Trial version convert only first 25 emails per folder. Click on OK button. The software automatically opens the resultant location and get the conversion files. You can open your MBOX file in following email client.